I am host of ZK and you are watching ZK AI TV Style with us. Let's start the video. Creating a kids cartoon is a complex and time-consuming process that involves various steps, including concept development, character design, storyboarding, animation, voice acting, and more. As an AI language model, I'm unable to physically create cartoons, but I can certainly guide you through the basic steps to help you get started. 1. Concept development *. Begin by brainstorming ideas for your cartoon. What will be the main theme? What lessons or values do you want to impart to kids? What age group will your cartoon target? 2. Character design *. Create lovable and relatable characters that will appeal to your target audience. Give them unique personalities, appearances, and backgrounds. 3. Storyboarding *. Outline the plot and scenes of your cartoon in a storyboard format. This will help you visualize the flow of the story and plan the animation sequences. 4. Script writing *. Write a script based on your storyboard. The script will contain the dialogues and actions for each scene. 5. Voice acting *. If possible, hire voice actors to bring your characters to life. Alternatively, you can try voice acting yourself or ask friends and family for help. 6. Animation *. Choose an animation style that suits your cartoon and start animating the characters and scenes. This can be done using animation software or by hand if you prefer traditional animation. 7. Music and sound effects *. Add background music and sound effects to enhance the overall experience of your cartoon. 8. Editing and post-production *. Edit and finalize your cartoon, making sure the animation and sound are synchronized correctly. 9. Publishing *. Once your cartoon is complete, you can upload it to platforms like YouTube, or seek out networks or streaming services that may be interested in featuring your content. Remember, creating a cartoon is a significant undertaking, so take your time and enjoy the creative process. If you don't have experience in animation or need additional help, consider collaborating with artists, animators, or storytellers who share your passion for creating kids content. Please like, subscribe ZKAI TV, share with friends. Don't forget to press bell icon. Take care. Thanks for your time.